Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Today, we're going to learn the names of building site vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is an excavator.
An excavator digs big holes in the ground with its long arm and bucket.
This is a bulldozer.
A bulldozer pushes dirt, rocks, and sand with its big blade in the front.
This is a wheel loader.
A wheel loader lifts sand, gravel, or soil with a big bucket.
This is a backhoe loader.
A backhoe loader has a bucket in the front and a digging arm in the back.
This is a dump truck.
A dump truck carries sand, dirt, and rocks and tips them out.
This is a cement mixer truck.
A cement mixer truck spins around to keep cement wet and ready.
This is a road roller.
A road roller presses down dirt or asphalt to make it flat.
This is a grader.
A grader smooths and levels the ground before building roads.
This is a skid steer loader.
A skid steer loader is a small, strong machine for moving dirt.
This is a tower crane.
A tower crane lifts heavy steel and concrete high into the air.
This is a mobile crane.
A mobile crane can move and lift heavy materials around a site.
This is a crawler crane.
A crawler crane has tracks to move and lifts very heavy loads.
This is a trench digger.
A trench digger digs long, narrow holes for pipes or cables.
This is a pile driver.
A pile driver pushes strong posts deep into the ground for buildings.
This is a concrete pump truck.
A concrete pump truck moves wet cement through big pipes.
This is a telehandler.
A telehandler lifts materials high up with its long arm.
This is a forklift.
A forklift lifts and moves heavy boxes or materials.
This is an earth mover.
An earth mover moves large amounts of dirt at once.
This is a crane truck.
A crane truck lifts heavy things with a long arm.
This is articulated hauler.
An articulated hauler carries heavy loads on rough ground.
This is a tunnel boring machine.
A tunnel boring machine digs tunnels deep underground.
This is a stone cutter machine.
A stone cutter machine cuts big stones into blocks.
This is a tunnel loader.
A tunnel loader moves rocks out of tunnels.
This is a dust control truck.
A dust control truck sprays water to stop dust flying.
This is a rock breaker.
A rock breaker smashes big rocks into small pieces.
This is a concrete finisher machine.
A concrete finisher makes cement floors smooth.
This is a vibratory hammer.
A vibratory hammer pushes steel piles into the soil.
This is a compactor machine.
A compactor presses soil to make it strong and flat.
This is a cement spreader truck.
A cement spreader spreads cement evenly on the ground.
This is a cherry picker.
A cherry picker lifts workers high to fix or build things.